This video is a collection of videos recorded by cameras about natural disasters like snowstorms, floods, and rainstorms in China in 2023. Without these videos recorded by people, we certainly would not be able to witness how the power of this natural disaster devastated China. And you won't believe your eyes when you watch these videos. The snowstorm has been raging in Beijing for many days, causing the amount of snow here to be nearly 2 meters thick. Limited visibility and paralyzed traffic throughout Beijing. This snowstorm has caused many traffic accidents because of limited visibility and slippery roads that prevent drivers from being able to control their vehicles.
Maximum wind gusts in Japan coast in northern and eastern Japan. Ehata Prefecture.
This record snowstorm affected 58,000 agricultural facilities in Liaoning Province, northeastern China. Shenyang City in Liaoning Province recorded an average snowfall of up to 51 centimeters earlier this week. This is the highest snowfall in 116 years recorded here since 1905.
1,000 line to be suspended due to fallen trees and pentagraph problems.
This snowstorm caused 209 flights to stop taking off. Hundreds of traffic accidents caused prolonged traffic congestion in Shenzhen City, China, and this traffic jam lasts for many hours, causing many people stuck on the road to endure the harsh cold outside like this.
Snowfall was on high weather could also cause blackouts. In parts of central Japan. Kikon in Shiga Prefecture saw 60. The line runs between nearly 20. Nearly 20 centimeters of snow fell.
Most people were stuck in their own homes because the snow was so heavy that it was very difficult to move outdoors. Snow is expected to fall until the end of this week, causing shortages of food and necessities for people to last longer. If you find this video meaningful, please click like to support Glass channel.
Kyllä vähän. Onneksi tää on kyllä tämmöstä kevyttä, ettei tää...
During a terrifying natural disaster, China saw a terrifying ice storm hit the country. Scary videos and images caught on camera captured the astonishing scene when a sudden snowstorm swept through the city, turning the city's landscape into pure white. Along with that, floods caused by melting snow and ice left many people confused and not knowing how to fight this disaster.
The snowfall was on high.
Natural disaster movies can easily show the destruction caused by this snowstorm, but the truth is much more terrifying. Types of natural disasters like tornado and floods today have pushed people into difficult situations, requiring urgent support from police and rescue forces. This is one of the worst disasters China has faced in years, increasing awareness of the impact of climate change and the need to prepare for extreme natural storms like these. Like this.
Due to snowfall.
Centimeters.
If you find this Glass Channel's video meaningful, please comment number 1 in the comments section to let us know you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch the latest videos from Glass Channel. And the videos that appear at the end of this video are similar to the video you just watched, so you can click and watch it.